So this is the Amazon Echo Show 5 and it's Amazon's 5.5-inch version of the Echo Show. So let's get it out of the box and let's have a look. Okay, so the Echo Show 5 is Amazon's new small smart screen. It's got a 5.5-inch screen, hence the 5 in the name. It's not the 5th edition. This isn't to replace the Echo Show 2, the 2nd edition one. This is actually additional to that range. So having a quick look around the box gives you a bit more information about what you can do with it. Okay, so let's get the box open. First thing to do is to pull this tab across the bottom, and that then should open that up. So having a look inside, first thing you see is the Echo Show 5 itself. It's quite chunky, quite heavy, wrapped in plastic. I'll take that off in a minute. And underneath there's an instruction book. Things to try. And that's actually a quick start guide there. Back in the box. Comes with the UK plug adapter. Now it's not a USB adapter, it is actually made for this, and it is a small DC adapter by the look of it. It's actually 15 watts of power. Okay. So that's everything in the box. Let's get this unwrapped and have a little bit of a closer look at it. Okay, so looking around the screen, it's quite a glossy finish to the front. There's 3 buttons on the top and the camera cover. There's a little camera behind there for doing video calls, but you can obviously, if you want this in the bedroom, you might want to close that off. You can see it turns red when it's closed. Turn it around, it's got a grey fabric backing. This is the black one, or the charcoal grey or whatever it was called. It's got a rubber base to it, so when you put it down it's not going to go anywhere. Feels quite chunky. On the back you've got a USB, micro USB port. There's power there, and on the right hand side that is a 3.5mm jack, so you can attach it to an external audio source. Okay, so I'm going to go off now and set this up, and I'll be back in a few days with a full review. So thanks for watching this very quick unboxing of the Echo Show 5. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.